In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add HubSpot to Outlook. By the end, you'll have the HubSpot sales ad installed in your Outlook desktop app and be signed in so you are ready to work more efficiently right from your inbox. First, open the Outlook desktop app on your computer. This is the full application you launch from your Start menu or Applications folder, not the web version in a browser. Once Outlook is open, give it a second to load your mail. The layout may look slightly different on Windows versus Mac, but the core steps are the same. With Outlook open, go to the Home tab at the top. This is where the main email tools live. In the ribbon on that Home tab, look for the option labeled Get Ad. It may be near the middle of the toolbar. If your screen is smaller, you might see an icon that looks like a shopping bag or a link that simply says Get Add-ins. If you don't see it at all, your organization may have disabled add-ins, in which case you'd need admin permission, but if it's available, click it to continue. A window will open for the add-ins marketplace. In the search bar, type HubSpot Sales. You are looking for the official HubSpot Sales add-in from HubSpot. When you find it, click Get It Now. You may be asked to confirm a few permissions. This is normal, as the add-in needs access to work inside Outlook. After you confirm, Outlook will install the add-in. This usually takes just a moment. When it's done, you'll notice a new HubSpot icon added to your Outlook ribbon, indicating the install was successful. Next, compose a new email. Click New Email to open a message window. In that new email window, look along the ribbon for the HubSpot icon you just added. Click it to open the HubSpot panel and log in. Sign in with your HubSpot account credentials. Keep your login information secure and never share it in email. Once you are signed in, Outlook will connect to your HubSpot account and you'll be ready to access HubSpot tools right from your Compose window. If the panel asks for basic confirmations, follow the prompts and you'll be all set. That's it. Thanks for watching.